Hi,
Hi,
what is your full name?
my full name is Michael Chan.
How old are you?
Uh, I'm 17 years old.
What class are you in?
Um, 11 accounting one.
Where do you live?
Uh, Trisula Street.
What is your favorite subject?
Mm, Maybe uh, accounting subject.
What do you usually do during break time?
Can you repeat again?
What do you usually do during break time?
Uh, Playing again with my friend, eat MBG, and sleep.
What do you want to be in the future?
Uh, CEO or accounting staff.
What time do you usually wake up?
Mm, 5 p.m.
Where do you enjoy most about school?
Mm, Maybe subject, uh, teacher, and facility.
And last, what do you like to do after school?
Uh, and I go home, eat, playing the game, and sleep.
Okay, thank you. See you.
See you.